The time now is 8:15 in the morning time on this Saturday morning, December the 14th, 2013 on a Saturday morning. Time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins. The morning report. Saturday morning, December 14th, 2013. Get on! Good morning to you all this lovely Saturday morning on Kirkination's app.
Busy a greater providence.
8:16 in the morning time on December 14th, 2013 on a Saturday morning. 60 degrees in the temperature with overcast skies. Humidity it's 45%. Wind speed off about 7 miles per hour. Barometer 34 inches, 2.2 below. Visibility 10 miles and the wind chill about 6 above zero. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows the edge of the snow stretching from Western Rhode Island down for Western Mass and Central Massachusetts down for Connecticut down for New York City and 17 New York down for Northern New Jersey, stretching from Pennsylvania and eastern portions of Ohio and stretching out for Northern Maryland down to eastern West Virginia.
Kindergartner Danny Keefe is known around Bridgewater.
And the snow stretching down for Northern Ohio and down for Severn, Michigan, down for eastern Wisconsin, stretching out for Indiana and down for Illinois and down for eastern Missouri. And stretching it out for Wisconsin and down for a couple of miles of line of snow showers in central, northern and western portions of Minnesota down for northeastern North Dakota down for 7 Ontario down for 7 Manitoba here. And a line of rain showers from the Baltimore Washington corridor and stretching down for eastern Virginia down for the Carolinas and stretching it down for eastern Georgia down for northern Florida, and a big blob of rain showers in central West Virginia down for 7 Ohio and 7 Indiana and Illinois, stretching down for Kentucky down to eastern Tennessee down for western Carolinas and down for Georgia, northern Georgia down for central Alabama down for central portions of Wisconsin and stretching off the portions of southeastern Texas. Mentions of rain showers off the southern coast of Louisiana, the northern Gulf state, northern Gulf coast, and the southern Gulf states here. And a couple of inches of snow showers in western and eastern portions of Prince Edward Island. A couple of inches of snow showers in eastern portions of Nova Scotia. Batches of snow showers in central portions of Nova Scotia. Eastern portions of Quebec and northern New Brunswick will have snow.
It's moving in from the northeast, and at times it has been coming up to 15 miles per hour.
Never batches of snow showers in western portions of Saskatchewan and snow and sleet and rain showers down for Alberta and eastern portions of British Columbia, and a sleet and rain showers in eastern portions of Washington, northeastern Oregon, and blah the rain and sleet and showers in western portions of Washington, northern Oregon state. Manzanet, Canada. Good morning, 1 degree with overcast skies. Tully, North Dakota. Good morning, 0 degrees with overcast skies. Okay, let us take a look at
But these snow showers,
satellite loop, and it shows
these snow showers are popping up. We've got this northeasterly wind in place. Temperatures are cold enough. Here they are. They're generally going to be
a big blob of clouds there.
Like coatings here and there. But it should not be enough to
stretch from southern New England, stretch it out into the Great Lakes, and stretch it out into Minnesota, the Dakotas, and stretch it out through the
and not expected to get heavy.
Down for eastern seaboard, and then stretching down into the Gulf states, and down for Texas, and down for Florida, and stretching western Mexico. And the clouds stretching it out for the Dakotas, and then through the plains, and down for Texas. And another batch of clouds from Montana, down for Idaho, down for Oregon and Washington, and stretching down for British Columbia, Alberta, and down to Saskatchewan, and down for 7 Manitoba in western Canada. Here. Okay, let us take a look at our map situation. High pressure centered to western Ontario and northern Quebec, and another high pressure centered in Utah, and a stationary front from eastern British Columbia down from Alberta, down from Montana, stretching to eastern Wyoming, and a cold front from Colorado down through Mexico, stretching to Texas down in Arkansas, and a warm front with low pressure centered from Missouri, stretching out to Tennessee, down to Alabama, down to western Georgia. Cold front from northern Mexico, stretching down to Louisiana, warm front from Louisiana, stretching out to western Florida for the Gulf of Mexico here. Warm front off the Carolinas. Frontal boundary off California and northern Mexico. And another frontal boundary from western Mexico. Frontal boundary from western Illinois down to eastern Wisconsin here. And a stationary front from Ohio down to Pennsylvania, New York, and that's where we are going to get the storm system here. 11 degrees temperature in Boston, 37 out in Washington, D.C., 48 out in Atlanta, 74 in Miami, 63 out in Brownsville, 44 out in Dallas, 26 in Kansas City, 30 out in Chicago, 10 in Minneapolis, St. Paul, 29 degrees of temperature in Albuquerque, 22 out in Denver, 23 in Salt Lake City, 34 out in Great Falls, 45 in Seattle, 41 in San Francisco, and 48 in Los Angeles. Here.
More of a nuisance than anything. Becoming steady during the evening again after 6, 7 o'clock tonight.
Highlights: light snow during daylight hours.
See it come down heavy.
Today, with accumulations an inch less, and snow becomes steadier by 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Heavy snow 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. Sunday with a 1 to 2 inches per hour. Snowfall rates possible at times. The highest accumulation of West Pike and west of I-495 were 10 to 14 inches if possible. So 1 to 2 inches of snow in the Cape of the Islands, 2 to 4 inches on Western Cape and Severn, Plymouth, and Bristol County, and stretching to Severn Rhode Island. 4 to 6 inches from northern Plymouth County to Bristol County, stretching out through Providence. And much of Rhode Island, 6 to 8 inches from northeastern Massachusetts, stretching out for the city of Boston, and stretching out for Norfolk County down for northern Rhode Island. And east central Connecticut, 8 to 9 inches from north Middlesex County, northern Massachusetts, and stretching down to Worcester County and down to western Massachusetts, around Springfield, and down to extreme northern Rhode Island, northern Connecticut. And the jackpot, 10 to 14 inches from northern Worcester County down for southern New Hampshire, and down for western Massachusetts, and western Springfield, and western Connecticut. Here, 8 to 9 inches included in Hartford, Connecticut.
And will likely continue through Thursday of this week.
Okay, we are under a winter weather advisory in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. National Weather Service and totalization of winter weather advisory for snow, sleet, and freezing rain, which is in effect from 5 p.m. this afternoon to 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations include central and southern New England as well as portions of southeastern Massachusetts. Hazard types are period of heavy snowfall by a period of sleet and freezing rain. Snow accumulation of 4 to 6 inches along with a trace of ice. Time and night snow will push around the region around midnight. The snow becomes steadier and heavier around midnight tonight, continuing early Sunday morning area beyond. Potential for a period that mixes with sleet and freeze rain early Sunday morning.
Good morning, everybody. I have a quick Christmas poem for you.
Before ending around midday and Sunday, impacts low visibilities at the times due to snow hazardous travel conditions expected. Winds northeast 10 to 20 miles, gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Weather advisory is issued when store ice is forecast available in the affected areas, but accumulations expect to be light. Any stored ice would make driving and walking difficult, but not impossible.
Saying goodbye.
Untreated roadways and sidewalks when temperatures are below freezing. Motorists need to be especially careful on the bridges and overcrossing where slippery spots can easily develop. So day 1 today tonight, winter weather advisory. Days 2 to 7, Sunday for Friday, winter weather advisory. Okay, let us take a look at our 7-day forecast goes like this. For today, snow likely may after 5 p.m. Class skies with a high to 26 degrees and wind about 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 60%. Total daytime snow accumulation of less than 1 inch possible. Tonight, snow before 4 a.m. then rated snow. Temperature rise at around 35 by 5 a.m. East wind about 9 to 17 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 29 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. New snow accumulation of 5 inches possible. Sunday, rated snow before 3 p.m. then a slight chance of snow. Temperature falling around 29 by 5 p.m. Northeast wind about 10 to 15 miles per hour coming northwest in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 28 miles per hour. Chance precipitation is 90%.
Meanwhile, how about an expansion for
Global and no snow inclination expected. Sunday night, podcast got low 60 degrees. West wind about 8 miles per hour. Monday, sunny skies high to 25 degrees. West wind about 8 to 14 miles per hour. Monday night, a chance of snow showers. Monday after 4 a.m. Podcast got low 9 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Tuesday, a chance of snow showers. Most of the got with a low high to 31 degrees.
orders yesterday.
Chance of precipitation is 40%. Tuesday night, a chance of snow showers. Most of the got low 22 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Wednesday, most of the skies high to 34 degrees. Wednesday night, also good skies with a low 20 degrees. Thursday, most of the skies high to 32 degrees. Thursday night, most of the skies got low 21 degrees. And for Friday, most of the skies, the clouds got high to 45 degrees. Peters, we're freeze of the day. Our first snow of the season, here. This is PJ Winston. We have a good day with a good positive attitude, here.
To be a 4 seed. How